So it is moving day for my parents. They are moving out of state. They are from Illinois going to South Carolina. Dude, they're living my dream. I should be going, but I'm not. So it's crazy over here. Lots going on, like a lot. Of course, it's like 100 degrees. Not really, but it's pretty sweaty, I'll be honest. But I was kind of on food duty for a little bit, so I'm chilling. But yeah, so I'll give you the updates of what's going on. So they still have so much stuff. And this is like not even like all of it. There's stuff on the side of the house. They only have 2 trucks, so that's one truck. And then that's the other truck. And then there's Hands doing her thing. And I have no hope, 0 hope in them getting it in here. But we're trying. That's, yeah. And then all of this outdoor furniture. And then there's some bikes in the shed. There's the mower there. We have a whole team going. Whole team. We're on this. Okay, so major stuff going on. Wow, look at you guys. You guys are so strong. Are you guys enjoying your food? So good. Look at me. Sandwich duty. The cute ones for the sandwiches. Sure. Here you go.
I'll take half.
Well, here, boys. I'm on sandwich duty.
Wow, look at that.
I know, right?
Thank
Professional.
Dang. What's this? Is that barbecue sauce?
It's got some barb on
Pretty
there.
good. Thank you.
You're welcome. Straight up professionals right here. Literally not wasting one space.
There, it's just a basket. Perfect.
Yeah.
And then we could do it home.
This truck is bougie. Look at this wood floor going on in here. What is this? So this is my pile of stuff that I need to take. How fun, right? At least I get a TV. It's tiny, but it's something. This is the lamp sitch. And then there's another lamp sitch over there. Those are all going in the cars because that's a lot. So this one is like jammed in there. Oh, he's so cute. I know, you guys can fit so much more in there. Look at that. You guys got a lot more. There's the garage. It's pretty empty. I should have started earlier. It was jammed. Now they're all in the trucks. It's hard at work. Major hard at work. Tons of stuff. I don't know how this is all gonna fit into 2 trucks, but. And then here's all the littles in the house eating. So this is where I made the sandwich section. Got some chicken. And then here's the other breakfast we had. We had tons of bagels. Those are being gone. We had some watermelon, French toast casserole I made, some more fruit. This is it. It's becoming real. My parents have to paint that wall. So they used to have 4 big bookshelves right here. And my mom just kept them there and just painted around it. But now she's gotta paint that. But that was the color before. Now it's that. Way better. Chandelier's so cute. Not going. But you can see there's still stuff in the house. But I think we might be able to do it. I don't know what's in here. This was their office. Cleared out. That's good. The master.
The master.
Oh my gosh. So, master's pretty good. Master bedroom. No, bathroom. Ugh, not looking too hot. But we do have, so hang on. So we're driving down, so it's the 2 trucks and then my parents' minivan, so that'll be filled with stuff. And then my parents' car, which is small, will have like lamps and stuff like that. And then me and Adam are driving down. We have a car. We're not gonna have a lot in there. Alyssa is driving down with her kids, so they'll have a little bit of room. And then me and, hey Lil, no, but Doug and Ann are going with all their kids, so they'll have a little room. But so every car will have like a little bit of room, but not like a ton. So yeah, I don't know. Wish us luck. We'll see how this is going.
Some people who do
Hannah, I've only seen you in the kitchen. Are you serious? Do you do anything? Do you do anything? No.
All I've seen you is on the phone.
Okay, let's see what the basement's looking like. Pool table staying. Oh my gosh, it's like cleared out. Yeah, it's looking good. Yeah, oh my gosh, this is actually super sad. The bar area, all the drunk stories that happened right there. There's a lot. And then all the stories that happened in my bedroom, not many. This is the old room, the old crib. We painted it white when we first got in here. I wonder if you can see an old color through like the paint or something. No, it was like green. If you remember from my other vlogs, it was gross. Bad news, but yeah. Wow, this is doing good. We're doing good, peeps.
You're down.
Oh my gosh, Hannah! Let's go upstairs. Little Nora, you're so cute. Let's see how upstairs is looking. This was their office before, and then it became a seating area. Boys' bedroom cleaned out. Their closet, right? Dream closet. Then this. Oh, and then there's me. So I saw this tank top on TikTok. It's from Walmart. Literally less than $3. Obsessed. So this is Marimar's room. Looks like a baby was sitting there. Oh, let's look at that. Out here, the deck. I wanted this place so bad. Like I wanted, oh my gosh, it's raining. Oh no, that's bad news. Bad news. I wanted this when I lived here because I love the balcony. But that's the yard. We had a pool right there. My parents like landscaped all of that. They're like masters. Then the fire pit. This is the whole dining area. Did they take down those lights? They had the cutest lights. They're adorbs. So yeah, this is it. So it's actually like super sad that they're leaving, but I'm so happy because my dad has always wanted to live in the South, and finally he gets to live there. It's like his dream finally coming true. And I'm not mad about it because one, I can visit, and then two, I plan on moving there within a few years because I know I want to settle down in the South and have my kids like raised there. So they're just the start. I'm coming. Not moving.
Oh my gosh. It's crazy.
Excited?
Yes and no.
Yes, it's gonna be hard.
It's very hard, and I don't know how we're gonna fit everything.
I know. I don't know how you guys are gonna fit everything too. Still got a lot. The furniture is going. That was a must for my mom. Patio furniture. Hi! Here, I think you need to work. Man down, something fell on his head.
The breakfast sprouts. Since nobody eats them, they're using it.
What was it?
It was a shoe rack.
Ooh, not good. So grandma's gotta eat everything out of her freezer. So what did you get? What did you get? Oh, you're so special. You gotta eat some ice cream. Was it good? What kind was it?
It was, I mixed it up with chocolate and vanilla.
With buttercup things? I saw those there.
Yeah.
How yum. Okay, give them a blow kiss. Brandon, Uncle Jim, beer. You want one?
I just got one. Thank
well,
you.
Oh, you got new? Cracking that cold one. It's about time. Cheers, boys.
Cheers, Rachelle.
So, how's it going, boys? Michael got hit in the head, so that's great. David is sweating his booty off. I don't know if you all knew, but I'm officially 21, so now I officially drink. This is my first beer I've ever had. It's like really good. This is high life, you know, because I'm living that high life. Cheers! Okay, so the first one is officially done. I'm pretty sure.
It's not done.
Okay,
No,
okay.
it's not done.
Almost officially done. I see some room in there. This is kind of crazy, not gonna lie. This is jammed. Like literally, you can't see because it's completely jammed. Let's do a little far away action. Yeah, that's crazy. Okay, this is where we're at. That's mostly all garbage right there. And I'll show you what we have over here. We only have a little bit left and we still have so much. Hey! So this is what we have over here, but look at this truck. Okay, there's still so much room in here. I am like beyond shocked, impressed. There's a...
These things go for like a dime a dozen online. Dad was saying that. Nobody grills anyone to bring it.
No, he's not the one to bring it. So all that, like where I'm gonna be at or something.
Seriously, there's so much room in here, sis. I'm shocked. Because this is, okay, you know what? Hire the Heasleys for your packing if you have to go anywhere because they got you. We're getting the last few things in. There's still so much room in there. I just like, I can't even believe it, people. I'm shocked. And then there's still room. Like, I just don't know how you did it, Dad. I had no faith. Zero faith.
That's all right, I did.
Yeah, I don't know. Peace out, sister. Hey, oh, hello. Hi. He's tired. Are you wiped, Dave?
What?
Are you wiped?
A little beat, you know?
No.
How you gotta barely get the truck.
Everything is pretty much gone over here. TV's going in the car. Bunch of little randos that are just like going in cars. That's going in the car. Those stuff's going in the car. Some of these go to like other people. Like that goes to my aunt. I don't know where that stuff goes. But pretty much everything is gone. Nora! Hi! You're so cute. Get it, Bran. The maybe list has now turned into a yes list because look at that. There's still so much room. We made a jewel run. We were out of beers. We got some Coronas and some Buds, and then we got some Smirnoff, some mixers. Yeah, it was alcohol time. How does it taste?
Oh, it's next level.
Is it good?
Oh, you got
Corona.
You get another piece. I had on it was half a bagel. That's it?
Okay, so brought the truck up. One is done, and the other one is over here, and we're like done. This is like the last thing that goes in, but they're gonna put that on the end to like hold everything in. There's still so much room. I'm literally shocked. I can't even believe this. The rest is just people's that go in the cars or like, that's Anne-Marie's, gotta take it home. And then that's all garbage. Look at all this garbage right here. That's disgusting. No, you're fine. And then that's all selling stuff. And then that's my stuff. The day has come to an end. Everyone's just chilling, eating, relaxing. Finally, it's all empty.